Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. In the Kriti, in Satyajug, when people used to live for 100,000 of years. That time it was possible, just like Valmiki Muni meditated for 60,000 of years. So actually, this meditation, dhyan, dharana, pranayama, pratyahara, the yogic system, that is recommended in the Shastra, the Bhagavad-gita also it is there. But in this age, it is not possible. Immunozone denied. Krishna, you are recommending me to undergo the process of yoga, but it is not possible. Tasam nigraham mandi bhaviri vasudhiskam. It is not possible. But Arjuna was a pure devotee. He was always thinking of Krishna. He had no other business. Therefore, Krishna, to encourage Arjuna, he said, that don't be disappointed because you are thinking that you are unfit to meditate upon Lord Krishna. Don't be disappointed. The first class yogi, you are first class yogi. Why? Because yoginamapi sarvesam padgata antaratmana sadhyavan bhajati yoman sami yuktatamo. Anyone who is thinking of Krishna always within the heart, he is first class yogi. Therefore, Kalo tad hari kirtana, this is first class yoga system. In this age, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu recommended, in the Shastra also, it is recommended that Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Hare Nama eva kevalam, Kalo nasi, nasi, nasi. So we have to follow the injunction of the Shastra. We cannot manufacture our own ways of spiritual advancement. That is not possible. Jasastra vidhimustajya vartate kamakaram na siddhim savamati na sukham na paragati. Anyone who transgresses the regulating principle recommended in the Shastra, Shastra vidhi, Jasastra vidhim ussajya, giving up Shastra vidhi, vartate kamakaram. So, whimsically does something. No siddhim savapati, he never gets success. He will never be successful. No siddhim, no parangati, neither any salvation. No siddhim, sabha, no sukham, neither even the material happiness. So, we must accept the Shastra vidhi. Shastra vidhi, as it is in the Shastra, it is said, I have already quoted, Kalo tad hari kirtana, kirti jadhyatum vishnu titayam jagatho makai, dapare parichanchayam, Kalo tad hari kirtana. In this age, the Shastra vidhi is hari kirtana. The more you chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, the more you become perfect. This is Shastra. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu confirmed it. Sadhu Shastra Guru Bhagavad. We have to be fixed on. First of all, what is the injunction of the Shastra? Then, what the sadhus, those who are devotees, what they are doing. What they are doing. Sadhu, Shastra, and Guru, and what Guru is asking. We have to follow these three principles. Sadhu, Guru, Shastra, Vastra, Trinete Koriya Hoita. who is sadhu, who is abiding by the injunction of the Shastra. Or Guru means he is also abiding by the injunction of the Shastra. Then he is Guru, he is sadhu. And if one Shastra Vidhi, the Shastra Vidhi Mussijya, if Shastra Vidhi you give up, then what is the question of Guru and Sadhu? No Siddhi, he is not Siddha. He has not attained the perfection because he has rejected the principles of Shastra. So he is bogus. We have to taste like that. He is Guru.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,